Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Sorry I've not been consistent for some time now. Today we are going to tie a Sego Gele, a short Sego Gele, and the measurement of this gele is 50-50. You're going to make 5 to 6 pleats and place in front of your head, then you cross at the back. That is it. So this period, instead of you to let your gele waste because it's Sego or because it's very short, you can tie this type of styles. That's why I'm bringing out styles that you could tie on yourself or your clients. Instead of you to just say no and don't collect the money that you're supposed to get, you can tie this for your clients and they can rock it to anywhere of their choice, to the church or to a ceremony. So watch carefully. After crossing at the back, you're going to start making your twists. You twist on the first flap, then you pin in front to secure before you begin to make your rose-like design. When you're done structuring it to your choice or styling it to your choice, you pin it to the one that you've already twisted. You pin it there so that it's going to stand. Just watch carefully and see how I do it. You repeat the same process on the other flap. You twist, but this time around you pass it at the back to that rose that you've already made, or that your rose-like structure that you've already made. When you twist, you place it at the back. Just watch and see how I do it. There you go. Then you pin to the base to secure before you begin your rose-like structure again. This one you're going to place it at the back of the first one that you've done. Just watch carefully. Then you pin both together. You can leave it too, but if you're comfortable pinning both together, you do like this. After that, you arrange to your taste. Guys, we are almost done with our gele. You don't have an excuse to tie a boring gele anymore. Then you proceed to cover the back properly, or you can leave it. That's if you have a long hair, you pour it out. If not, you cover the back properly and neatly. Please guys, do not forget to like, comment, subscribe and share my videos. And there you have it. Voila, very nice and classy. I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye.